Okay, so I came all the way from Ring Road, which is from that side, down to this junction here. This junction, they stopped me right there, right here, and opposite it is where I'm standing, which is Artillery Road Junction. This is Artillery Road Junction, and I am standing in front of plot number 76, Artillery Road Junction, where you have the engine oil stand, which is this. You have some people fixing ACs, and then there's another shop right there. I think it's a furniture shop right there. Yes, this one. So this is the plot number 76, and it starts from, on this side, it starts from here and ends just before this building here, right here. So this is plot number 76, and it's along the road. Yep, this is Siluko Road.